Good morning, children. Children, in our last video, we had done exercise 9.2, that is addition of weights. So, this exercise we have already completed. Now, today we will start subtract the following. Here you have to subtract by grouping also. So, here in exercise 9.3, children, you have to do subtraction. You have to subtract the numbers and you have to get the answer. As you know, children, when we subtract the weights, you have to note the following points. Make the columns according to the units of kilogram and gram. Write the numbers vertically in the columns of their respective units by writing the bigger number first and write the answers separately along with the units. Let's start your exercise 9.3. Here you have to subtract 17 kg and 225 gram and 12 kg and 486 gram. So here two columns are already made and here you have to start subtraction from the ones place. So let's start, children. First of all, write the question in your copy. Subtract the following and I am writing question number A. Now start subtraction from digit at the ones place. So here, children, you have to subtract 6 from 5. It's not possible because 5 is smaller than 5. So you need to, borrow. So 5 will borrow from this 2. You know this thing? Okay. So let's do it. Here 2 becomes 1 and this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6, that is 9. Now you have to subtract 8 from 1. Again, it's not possible because 1 is smaller. So 1 will again borrow from this 2. Here now 2 becomes 1 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 8, that is your 3. Now you have to subtract 4 from this 1. Again, it's not possible because 1 is smaller. Now again 1 will borrow from this 7. 7 becomes 6 and 1 becomes 11. Very good. So children, here 11 minus 4 is your 7. Now here 6 minus 2 is your 4 and 1 minus 1 is your 0. Subtraction completed. So your answer is 4 kg 739 gram. So write your final answer here, children. So write here the final answer. Okay. Now we are moving to next question. That is question number C. Look at your book. Here again you have to subtract 20 kg 38 gram and 16 kg 23 gram. So start subtraction from digit at the ones place. Here 8 minus 3 is possible because 8 is bigger than your 3. So no need to borrow. So 8 minus 3 is your 5. Very good. 3 minus 2 is your 1. 0 minus 0 is your 0. Okay, let's write. Now children, here you have to subtract 6 from this 0. It's not possible. So 0 will borrow from this 2. 2 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. So we will subtract 10 minus 6. Okay. So 10 minus 6 is your 4. 1 minus 1 is your 0. So your final answer is 4 kg and 15 gram. So write here the final answer, children. Now we are moving to next question, that is question number E. You have to subtract 28 kg 205 gram and 16 kg 809 gram. So children, look at digit at the ones place. Here you have to subtract 9 from 5. It's not possible because 5 is smaller. So 5 will borrow from this 0. But this is already 0. So now this 0 will borrow from this 2. So 2 becomes 1 and this 0 becomes 10. As you know, children, 5 will borrow from this 10. So 10 becomes 9 and this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9 is your 6. 9 minus 0 is your 9. Now you have to subtract 8 from this one. It's not possible. 1 is smaller, no. So 1 will again borrow from this 8. So it becomes 7 and 1 becomes, 11. Very good. Now children, 11 minus 8 is your 3. 7 minus 6 is your 1. 2 minus 1 is your 1. So your final answer is 11 kg 396 gram. Right here. Now moving to the last question, that is number F. Here you have to subtract 58 kg, 275 gram and 19 kg, 706 gram. Okay. So start subtraction from digit at the ones place. You have to subtract 6 from this 5. It's not possible. 5 will borrow from this 7. 7 becomes 6. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is your 9. 6 minus 0 is your 6. Now you have to subtract 7 from this 2. Again it's not possible because 2 is smaller than 7. So 2 will borrow from this 8. 8 becomes 7. 2 becomes 12. Right here. Now 12 minus 7 is your 5 children. Again you have to subtract 9 from this 7. It's not possible. Again you need to borrow from this 5. 5 becomes 4. 7 becomes 17. Your final answer is children 38 kg 569 gram. Now let's move to next question number 2. In question number 2, write in columns and find the difference between the following. So here children you have to make columns and then you will arrange numbers under the kg and under the gram columns and then you will subtract. Always you will write the bigger unit and the bigger number first. Okay. So here A number question you have to subtract 10 kg and 16 kg 225 gram. So first of all you need to write the bigger number first. Now you tell me between these two which is the bigger number? Yes. So you will compare the bigger unit. That is we will compare the kilogram. No need to compare the gram now. You will compare the kilogram. Here 10 kilogram. Here 16 kilogram. So tell me which is bigger? 16 kilogram. So this number you will write first. Okay. And under this number you will write 10 kg. So first we will write this number, bigger number and the smaller number in the next line. And then we will start subtraction. Okay. I will show you. Wait. Here children you may see you have to find the difference. So I have written here difference equals to, make here two columns kilogram and gram. I have left here two lines because we need to write the borrowing numbers. No. Now I told you that 16 kg and 225 gram you will write first because it's bigger number. Now next 10 kg you write in the next line. So it is your 10 kg. So write 10 under the kilogram. But there is no gram na. So here you will put 0, 0, 0. So I am writing here 0, 0, 0. Now you start subtraction. 5 minus 0 is your 5. 2 minus 0 is your 2. 2 minus 0 is your 2. 6 minus 0 is your 6. 1 minus 1 is your 0. So your final answer is 6 kg 225 gram. So write here the final answer children. That is 6 kg 225 gram answer. I hope it's clear. Now let's move to the next question number B. B number question children. You have to subtract 15 kg 698 gram and 20 kg. Okay. Again you tell me between these two numbers which is bigger. So you will compare the kilogram. Very good. Here 15 kilogram. Here 20 kilogram. Now which is bigger? Yes, 20 kilogram. No. So first of all we will write 20 kilogram and then in next line you will write this number. Okay. Let's do it. Here you may see children I have written. I have made here two columns kilogram and gram and 20 kg is the bigger number. No. So I have written it first. But there is no gram na. So I will put here 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Now next is your 15 kg 698 gram. So you write here 15 kg 698 gram. Now you start subtraction. Here you have to subtract 8 from this 0. It's not possible. So 0 will borrow. Isn't it? You know this borrowing, no? Okay. I hope children this borrowing is clear to you because we had already done in our previous chapters. Okay. So this 0 will borrow from this 0 will borrow from this 0, then again from this 0, then finally from this 2. 2 becomes 1, this 0 becomes 10. Now again this 0 will borrow from this 10, 10 becomes 9, 0 becomes 10. Now this 0 will borrow from this 10, 10 becomes 9, 0 becomes 10. Now this 0 will borrow from this 10, 10 becomes 9, 0 becomes 10. Very good. Now you will subtract 10 minus 8. So tell me 10 minus 8 is your 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus 1 is your 0. Your final answer is 4 kg 302 gram. So write here 4 kg and 302 gram answer. I hope it's clear. Now moving to next question number D. In question number D, children, you have to subtract 12 kg 186 gram and 5 kg 285 gram. Again you will compare kilogram. Don't compare grams, okay? Because here the bigger unit is your kilogram, no? So you will compare kilogram. So here 12 kilogram and here 5 kilogram. Now tell me which is bigger, 12 kilogram or 5 kilogram? Yes, 12 kilogram. So this number 12 kilogram 186 gram you will write first, and then in the next line you will write 5 kg 285 gram. Okay, don't compare your grams, you will compare kg. Okay, let's do it, children. Look at here, children. I have made here two columns and I have written 12 kg 186 gram first and this 5 kg 285 gram to the next. Now start subtraction from digit at the ones place. 6 minus 5 is your 1. 8 minus 8 is your 0. Now 1 minus 2 is not possible. So 1 will borrow from this 2. 2 becomes 1. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is your 9. Now again 1 minus 5 is not possible. 1 will borrow from this 1. This 1 becomes 0 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is your 6 and this 0 is 0. So your final answer is 6 kg 901 gram. Write here the final answer 6 kg 901 gram. I hope it's clear. Now moving to question number E. Here you have to subtract 16 kg 85 gram and 12 kg 285 gram. Now again between these two numbers you have to compare which is bigger. Yes, compare your kgs. Here 16 kg and here 12 kg. Now which is bigger? Yes, 16 kg is bigger. So this number you will write first. 16 kg 85 gram. First of all you will write it. And in the next line you will write 12 kg 285 gram. Okay, let's do in copy, children. Here, children, 16 kg 85 gram, 12 kg 285 gram. There is no unit, no digit, so you write here 0. Okay, now start subtraction. 5 minus 5 is your 0. 8 minus 8 is your 0. Now 0 minus 2 is not possible. 0 will borrow from this 6. 6 becomes 5. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is your 8. 5 minus 2 is your 3. 1 minus 1 is your 0. So your final answer is 3 kg 800 gram. Okay, so you write here the final answer, that is 3 kg 800 gram. Clear, children? So in the same way you have to compare the numbers. You have to compare kgs first and then you will write the bigger number in the first line and a smaller number to the next line, and then you start subtraction. Do it carefully. Okay, now children, it's time for your home assignment. Your home assignment is exercise 9.2, question number 1. So this subtraction you do in book itself. But question number 2, that arrange in columns and find the difference. Whole sums, all the sums you will do in copy. Okay, because it's subtraction, no, you need more and more practice here. So you have to solve all the sums again in your copy. Okay, children. Do it properly. Do it carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.